In question 15, we are told that the diagonals AC and BD of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect at O in such a way that the area of AOD and BOC are equal. So here's a figure I've drawn of this quadrilateral. The diagonals AC and BD intersect at O in such a way that area of AOD, so AOD is this triangle, is the same as the area of BOC, and BOC is this triangle. So these two areas are equal. Using this fact, we have to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Now this is actually a very easy, very straightforward problem. All we have to do is we have to these two areas that are shaded here in green, if we add the area of AOB. So if we add the area of AOB to AOD, we get ABD. Okay, and if we add AOB to BOC, then we get triangle ABC. So clearly triangles ABD and ABC will have the same area. They are also on the same base, so they must be between the same parallels as well, and this will prove that CD is parallel to AB. So let's write out the proof now. So we are given that the area of AOD is equal to the area of BOC. So let's start with this. Area of AOD is equal to the area of BOC, and now we will add the area of triangle AOB on both sides. So add area of triangle AOB on both sides. So let's do that. On the left side we have area of AOD, and then we are adding area of AOB. This is what we get on the left side. On the right side we have area of BOC, and to this we are adding area of AOB as well. So let's see what we will get on each side. So on the left hand side we have AOD and AOB. So let's consider AOD. So AOD is this triangle and AOB is this triangle. So put together they give us the area of triangle ABD. So we get area of triangle ABD on the left side. On the right side we have area of BOC and AOB. So let's see what we get here. So BOC is this triangle and AOB is this triangle. So put together they give us the area of triangle ABC. So triangle area of triangle ABC. So what we get is the area of triangle ABD is equal to the area of triangle ABC, and because these triangles are on the same base, so triangle ABD and triangle ABC, they are on the same base. The same base is AB this side, and their areas are also equal. So this means that they must be between the same parallels. So they are between the same parallels. So what are these parallels? So one is AB and one is CD. So the two parallels are AB and CD, which means that CD is parallel to AB, and this means finally that ABCD is a trapezium. So this is what we had to prove. We had to prove that ABCD is a trapezium, and this completes question 15.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.